Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix your iPhone has been hacked pop-up Safari iOS 17. So how to fix this issue? Your iPhone has been hacked pop-up Safari iOS 17. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? First solution you have when your iPhone is hacked, so then you have first solution, you have disconnect the internet connection. You have used the Wi-Fi or cellular data, so you have disconnect from your internet connection. Then second solution, you have disconnect the VPN. You have used the VPN, and this time you have iPhone is hacked, so then you have disconnect the VPN device management you are on iPhone. Then third solution, uh, you have then seen your iPhone is hacked, so you have must be turn on airplane mode on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have clear history and website data Safari, so you have open the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on Safari, scroll up, then you have clear on clear history and website data from here, then you have clear on Safari on your iPhone. Then fifth solution, you have reset factory on your iPhone, so then you have again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on erase all content and settings, so then you have continue, and then you have erase the iPhone data apps, and you have delete from your iPhone. Then last solution, you have carefully, then you have your iPhone is hacked, so you have must be turn off your location on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed, and then your mobile is recover. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.